Okay, trailer tires. We got a Trailer King, and the size is ST 235 by 80 R by 16. All right. And when we look at these tires real close, they look pretty doggone good still yet. I have to get the code here, find out when they were made. See what we got here. Alright. Oh boy. Upside down, huh? Yeah. Okay. Load rating. Alright then. Yeah, but they look pretty good still yet. Yeah, no cracking. Yeah. Okay. Do a little bit more research on these. I want to get one spare. I got a spare underneath, but it's not the same rim or tire. It's a little cheapy deal. So get another spare and maybe two when we get on the road. I like to have at least two spares with me. All right then, until the next time, you folks take care of yourself out there and look after one another.